Hello children, welcome again. So today also we are solving the exercise problems 1.2. Now take your textbooks. Come to the sixth, which question? 10th question. Right. The medicine is packed in boxes. Each weigh 4 kgs 500 grams. How many such boxes can be loaded in a van which cannot carry beyond 800 kgs? So that van cannot carry beyond 800 kilograms, but the weight of medicine boxes is 4 kgs 500 grams. 4 kgs 500 grams. Here the information is giving, this question is giving the information about the medicine. That medicine is packed in the boxes. Okay, na? After packing that medicines in that box, it having some weight. We know that the units of the weight, kilograms or weight, grams or milligrams. Yes. Okay. Here the weight of the medicine box is 4 kgs of 500 grams. Like that. How many such boxes can be carried loaded in a van? So the weight of one medicine box given, like that how many boxes can be loaded in a van, but the van cannot carry beyond the 800 kilograms. 800 kilograms. First of all, we have to write the weight of the box. Okay, so then only we can know that how many boxes can be carried the van. Okay, first write the given information, that is weight of one box. Weight of one box. The medicine is packed in the boxes. Yes. So the weight of the box is what? 4 kgs 500 grams. So here kgs grams. So both are units different. We have to change into same units. Either in the, yes, it is very easy to change that one in the grams. 1 kilogram is equal to how many grams? 1000 grams. Now 4 kilograms means 4 into 1000 plus 500 grams. 4 into 1000 means 4000 grams plus 500 grams. Total 4500 grams. This is the weight of one box. Weight of one box. Now maximum weight can be carried by van. Maximum weight carried. Maximum weight carried by the van. So how much weight can carry the van? 800 kgs. 800 kgs. So here all information here in the grams. We can convert them into grams. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. 800 means 800 into 1000. That is so how many grams? 800,000 grams. Okay, now children. Now it is very easy to find the number of boxes. Number of boxes that can be loaded in the van. So the number of boxes can be loaded in the van is, that is 800,000 grams divided by 4500 grams. Now we can do the division here. Do the division. 100 by 4500. So 4500. So here we can cancel that zeros also. Here 2 zeros, 2 zeros. So we can write directly 45. 8000 divided by 45. How many times it is divisible? 45 by 80. 2 digit number, 2 digit number. Yes? So 80. So 2 times means it is equal to 90. 90 will come. So 1 time we can divide it. That is 45 once. 45 in the division, do the subtraction. So that is 0 minus minus 5, will not subtract, take the bar. That is 10 minus 5 is 5. Here 7. 7 minus 4, 3. So here 35, 45. So not divisible. Again add 0. Now 3-digit number, here 2-digit number. It is how many times divisible? So that is 45 into 8 times. Let us check. 8 5 is 40, 8 4 is 32. 32 plus it's 36. No, it is not. Take the 5 times, 7 times, that is 7 times 35, 7 for the 28 plus 3, that is 351. Again do the subtraction, that is 0 minus 5, will not subtract, take the borrow from 5, then 10 minus 5 is 5, 4 will be there, 4 minus 1, 3. So again 0 will be there, 0 will be there. So then here, okay, 350, here 45. So how many times is? So let us check here. 45 into 5 times or 5, 7 times 7 5 is already 315 we got. 3 5 is 7 5 is 35, 7 4 is 28 plus 3 31. So 8 times means 360 is coming up. Okay, then again yeah, so take the 7 times 3 15, 315. Now subtract, that is 5, 4 minus 1 3, 4 minus 3 35. Again the value is repeating, you can leave up to. So how many boxes we can load in a van? That is 177 boxes. Hence 177 boxes we can load it in the van. How many boxes? 177 boxes. Is it clear? Right. Copy that, children. Okay. So like that. Now I want to give one more question. Can you do that? Okay. I am giving to you the homework problem related to 10th question. So 10th question, how did we solve? Same procedure. Same procedure. Same procedure. Based on the same procedure, write that one homework problem. This is you enter in your own book some pockets, some packets, weighing 4 kg 600 grams are to be transported. What is the maximum number of such packets? What is the maximum number of such packets that can be loaded in a truck? That can be loaded in a truck, which cannot carry beyond 900 kilograms, which cannot carry beyond 900 kilograms. Write the solution in the sentence also. Okay, so previous problem, how did I explain weight of the medicine box? You have to write. After that, number of boxes you need means you have to do the division. Similarly, here some packets. Some packets. The packets weight is 4 kg 600 grams. So they are to be transported. The packets are to be transported, but the weight of the weight of the box, that is packet box is 4 kg 600 grams. In that, maximum number of such packets that can be loaded in a truck. So that means number of packets. How many packets? Number of packets means here also you have to do the division, but which cannot carry beyond 900 kgs. Same procedure. First write the weight of the packet. convert into the grams. After that, the weight of the van can carry, the load is 900 kilograms. That one also you convert into the grams. So after that, both you do the division. Then you will get the number of packets can be transported in a van. Is it clear? Right. So that one you do the homework. And let us come to our textbook problem, that is 11th question. The distance between the school and the student's house is 1 kilometer 875 meters. Every day she walks both ways. Find the total distance covered by her in 6 days. Here the distance between the school and the student house. School and the student's house, the distance is how much? 1 kilometer 875 meters. Every day she walks both ways. Both ways means school to home, home to school. Find the total distance covered by her in 6 days. So this one I am giving to you homework. You have to do this one. Just I am giving idea how to solve this one. Look here, the total distance she is walking. She is walking to the school. Okay, she is going to the school. That is the total distance from the school to house is 875. Okay, meters. Similarly, the house to school is same distance. How much distance is between house to school and school to house also same. Then she is walking both ways. Okay, both ways means you have to do the addition. After that, so what you have to find? The total distance covered by her in 6 days. 6 days means how much distance does the girl cover, does the student cover? 6 days means after doing the addition, you will get the some distance. So then you multiply by 6. Then you will know the total distance covered the student in 6 days. Okay now, right? You have to do this homework. Exercise 1.2, question number 11 also you have to do yourself. This question and a textbook problem. Very easy now. Okay. Come to the last question. That is, so you note down in your notebook. A vessel has 4 liters and 500 ml of curd. In how many glasses, each of 25 ml capacity, can it be filled? See here, a vessel has 4 liters and 500 ml of curd. Curd is there in that. Okay, vessel is there in that vessel. So how much curd is there? That is 4 liters 500 ml of curd. So like that, how many glasses? How many glasses can it be filled? How many glasses the curd is filled? But here each is 25 ml of capacity. Then like that, how many glasses can it be filled? So in that, how many glasses the curd will be filled? So how many means you have to do the division. So that 9th problem onwards, all are related to division problems. How many means do the division. First, given the information, we have to write. So that is the quality of a curd in the vessel. So what is the quality of curd in the vessel? 4 liters 500 ml. Okay. So here capacity of the glass is 25 ml given. Here the capacity quality of a curd in the vessel 4 liters 500 ml. Liters ml. Milliliters are there. First we convert them into same units. So that is the relation between the liters and milliliters. So what is the relation between 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. Right. Now 4 liters. 4 into 1000 plus 500 ml. That is 4 into 1000 means 4000 plus 500 ml. 4000 plus 500. 4500 ml is the quantity of curd in the vessel. Now write the capacity of the glass. What is the capacity of a glass? But the glass capacity is 25 ml. Okay, now 25 ml. Like that, how many glasses we can fill? So then, for the number of glasses that can be filled with the curd. Number of glasses can be filled with curd is equal to 4500 ml divided by, so what is that? 25 ml. Right. Now do the division. 4525. 4525. How many times it is divisible? See here. 25 once. 25. 5 minus 5, 0. 4 minus 2, 2. So 25, 20 not divisible. Again add the 0. 25 here 200. So how many times? 8 times. Okay, let us shift 25 into 8. 8 5 is 40. 8 2 is 16 plus 4, 20. 25 8 are 200. So here 0 is there. We add 0. Now tell me how many glasses we can fill it? 180 glasses. Very good. So therefore, hence 180 glasses can be filled with the curd. How many glasses we can fill the curd? 180 glasses. The glass capacity is 25 ml, but the capacity of a curd in the vessel is 4 liters. 4 liters 500 ml. The quality of curd is there. One glass capacity 25 ml. So like that, how many glasses? So we can fill this much quality of curd. How many glasses means we have to do the division. So which one you got the question? There is the number of glasses. Here 180 glasses can be filled with the curd. Okay children. So in that 1.2 all problems we have completed. So today I want to give homework to you. Let us turn your textbooks and page number 15. Page number 15. Example problems are there. Example problems. How many example problems are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 problems are there. So these all problems already solved. Okay now. So solved problems again we have to practice. You have to solve in your own way. Okay now. Not only that, you have to practice all the problems. How many problems are there in the exercise 1.2? All the problems again you have to practice. Today already I given the homework is question number 11 and one example problem also given. Not only that, including in the textbook example problems also we have to practice. So that is practice example 1 to 4 in page number 13 to 14. Sorry, 15 to 16. 15 to 16. So this is your today homework. So you have to solve these all problems neatly and practice well. How to do the division, how to multiply, how to subtract, and how to add. So these problems are very important in your daily life also. Once again you have to practice these all problems. Okay children, bye.